So it all started in 1966. Ken Nichols, Bob Barber started the company. They were able to feed, nurture, and grow into an amazing little company called Barber-Nichols. This dream started about 6 years ago. We were continuing to grow. We kind of had 3 buildings full of manufacturing equipment, and we said, we got to do something different.
You know, I knew Bob Barber for many years. He was actually a client of mine. He was a neighbor of mine. And so I knew the pride that he and Mr. Nichols had in this facility and their dream to bring it forward. And that dream has certainly been fulfilled by each and every one of you.
This is pretty unique to be able to say, but to all of our employees, the novel layout and the process flow ideas came from you. We didn't make them up. The ideas came from the people that are working on the equipment every day. The layout of the machines, the placement of the machines, everything came from the collection of all the employees' inputs.
Congratulations on a fabulous facility. To all of you who are working here, to those of you who built this place, congratulations. This is going to be state of the art for a long time to come.
We are officially cutting the ribbon and dedicating the new Barber-Nichols Advanced Manufacturing Facility.